Dealing with back pain is one of the worst things on the planet, and if you like to work out, I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to treat your low back pain to allow you to continue working out and hopefully get rid of it forever. So this exercise is what I call a elevated deadlift, and I use this with a lot of the seniors and individuals with disabilities I used to work with when they were experiencing back pain. Maybe they just had back surgery. Ideally, we still want to be able to bend over in our hinge position like so to pick stuff up off the ground because that's necessary and useful in numerous everyday activities. The thing about this is that a lot of times people will have some pain when bending over and doing exactly that. So what I'm going to show you is this elevated deadlift. Super simple concept. You're going to step up to a box or a bench like so. This could even be a ledge. I'm starting out about knee height, and then you're going to place an object on the bench, okay? So obviously not quite as far down as picking up something off the ground, but you're still going to bend at your hips, knees slightly bent, bend over at your hips, pick up the object, go ahead and keep a nice neutral spine, squeeze your glutes as you come up, place it back down, that's one. Come up, down, two. So it's the same exact movement. The thing about this that's a little different from a deadlift off the ground or just picking up something off the ground, you can't get it nearly as close to you, so you do have to kind of go forward a little bit. This might put a little bit of extra pressure on your spine, but you're going to pick a load that's not that difficult for you to do. And another thing that you can do, of course, is add a boost like a pillow. I have a balance pad here, but simply said, add a boost, a couple pillows, a couple things. If you need to, you can go lower actually as well. And what that's going to do is going to make it a little bit more difficult. So once you get to this level without back pain, you can go down to this level right here. Feet hip width apart, knees slightly bent, and then hip hinge all the way over, bend down, pick it up, all the way back down. As you can see here, we're either going up or going down based on your current level. The point of this is to still practice the hinging movement, but making it less stressful on your back than going all the way down and all the way up if that causes pain. You should be able to get to a point where you can do a little bit of load without pain, and that might literally mean you stacking pillows all the way up to your belly button. So then literally your deadlift is like this, right? That's still a hinge though. You're still hinging at the hips a tiny bit, and that's the whole point of this, to get a little bit of stress on the spine, a little bit of blood flow, a little bit of stimulus.